Dear learners, hope you all are well by the grace of Creator. At this moment, we all are passing a very critical time because of coronavirus. For this reason, the authority has arranged online class. So I am going to take an online English first paper class for class 8 students. So dear learners, let's enjoy the class. I am Narayan Chandrapal, assistant teacher. Dear learners, today's topic, Unit 5, Lesson 3, Ever Beautiful, Shamima. Dear learners, you have learned previously about Shamima. Now, look at the picture, talk about the picture and read the question below. Talk about the picture. You see a picture. I think a woman is making boutique print. You all know there are many kinds of cloth in the market. Boutique print, embroidered shadi, brush print. In this way, the woman is making boutique print. Look at the question. Who did Shamima work with? Who did Shamima work with? So the answer will be Shamima work with the women who are unfortunate like her. Who are unfortunate like her. Shamima worked with the women who were unlucky like her. Next question. What is Shamima's present dream? What is Shamima's present dream? Shamima's present dream is to do something for that woman who were ill-fated or unlucky like her. In the another answer, Shamima's present dream is to become a famous designer. So dear learners, I shall discuss about some keywords which includes in our text. Outward. Outward, what is the parts of speech? Yes, it is adjective. Relating the external appearance of something. In Bangla, কোনো কিছুর বাহ্যিক চেহারা. Outward, relating the external appearance of something. Verb, it is noun. It is noun. A formal promise to do something. Commitment. কোনো কিছু করার জন্য ব্রতী হও. কোনো কিছু করতে ব্রতী হও. কমিটমেন্ট করা, যে আমি এটা করব. ডিজাবেল. What kinds of parts of speech? Yes, it is adjective. Disabled, unable to do something or have no ability to do something. কোনো কিছু করতে অক্ষম। যদি আমরা উদাহরণ দিই, দেখো, দি ম্যান ইজ ডিজেবল টু সি, লোকটা দেখতে অক্ষম, আই ডিজেবল। Dignity. What kinds of words of speech? Dignity. Yes, it is noun. The state or quality of being worthy of honor or respect. Morjada. Dignity, morjada. The state of quality of being worthy, যোগ্যতা, of honor, সম্মানের যোগ্য, যাদের যোগ্যতা যাদের আছে তাদেরকে আমরা ডিগনিটি, মর্যাদাকর ব্যক্তি আমরা বলি, অর রেসপেক্ট। রিগ্রেট, ইট ইজ নাউন। রিগ্রেট, পার্টস অফ স্পিচ, নাউন। ফিল স্যাড, দুঃখ অনুভব করা, ফিল স্যাড। রিপেন্টেন্ট অর ডিসঅ্যাপয়েন্টেড, নিরাশ, দুঃখ অনুভব করা, রিগ্রেট, পরিতাপ করা। ইল ফেটেড, what kinds of parts of speech? Ill fated, yes, it is adjective. Ill fated, have bad luck, have bad luck, cards, unlucky, হতভাগ্য, দুর্ভাগ্য। Product, product is noun. Product, an article or substance that is manufactured or refined for sale. উৎপাদিত পণ্য, যেগুলো বিক্রির জন্য প্রস্তুত করা হয়, সেগুলোকে আমরা কি বলি? প্রোডাক্ট। So dear learners, now read the text and ask and answer the above question. Shamima's misery started the day she was married. Her husband was a greedy person and he used to abuse her verbally and physically. Within a few months into her marriage, she had to leave her husband, Kamaluddin Jodhar. Now Shamima vows to work with women who are ill-fated like her. She has 53 female members in her organization working for her. She trains the members herself and then provides them with work. She designs fabric, makes block print, brush print and hand embroidered sarees. She also makes three-piece dress for women and futwas for men. She sells this product in her shop and supplies them outside. So dear learners, you can also see a picture. A worker is making block print using different color. Shamima has a dream now, a dream to do something for the helpless people. She wants them to feel useful. They can live with self-respect and dignity. With this in view, she goes out looking for such people. Shamima finished her story with a smile. Shamima has no complaint, no regrets, no grudge. What she wants to do is to bring a smile on the faces of those women who are unfortunate. Shamima wants to become a famous designer. Helpless. There are many helpless people around us. There are many helpless people around us who try heart and soul to earn their daily bread. To worker making something to earn money. These kinds of people are helpless. So dear learners, look at the true false question. Number 1, Shamima's husband destroyed her. Shamima's husband destroyed her. Is it true or false? Yes, it is false. What is the true answer? Shamima's husband destroyed her outward beauty, but not her beauty of mind. Shamima's husband could destroy her outward beauty, but not the beauty of her mind. Question number 2. Shamima promised to stand beside the helpless woman. শামিমা প্রতিজ্ঞা করেছিল যে অসহায় লোকদের পাশে দাঁড়ানো। Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. It is true. Number 3, she has some trainers. She has some trainers to train the women of her organization. তার সংস্থায় কিছু প্রশিক্ষণ ট্রেনার ছিল, ট্রেনার যারা প্রশিক্ষণ দেয়। Previously we have learned Shamima herself trained the women, so there is no trainer. For this reason the question is false. True answer or correct information, Shamima herself trained the women of her organization. Shamima herself trained the women in her organization. Number 4, Shamima want to become a wealthy person to help other. Wealthy person, সম্পদশালী ব্যক্তি হতে চেয়েছিল। No, this is also false. Correct information, Shamima want to become a famous designer. Shamima want to become a famous designer. So dear learners, we have already learned true false question. Now look at the sentence. Find a person in your locality who has succeeded in the face of difficulty and write about him. Dear learners, there are many unfortunate persons in our society. In the person tried heart and soul to earn money. You should find out in this person and write him oblique her about how they succeeded in life. So dear learners, I am going to give you homework. Open your khata and write down the homework in your khata. Make a poster showing the necessary qualities to be successful in life. জীবনে সফল হতে হলে কি কি যোগ্যতার প্রয়োজন সেটা সম্পর্কে একটা পোস্টার তৈরি করতে হবে তোমাদেরকে। কোন কোন কোয়ালিটিগুলো থাকতে হবে সেটা তোমরা একটা পোস্টারে লিখবে। Dear learners, stay home, stay safe. See you again for the next class. Thank you very much.